AI is more accessible than ever, and business owners have the opportunity now to incorporate AI into their operations easily. In this video, I explain the essential AI roles and some example projects so you know exactly who to hire for a successful AI integration. Alright, here we have a chart that shows you AI domain and subcategories. In the last video, I explained and talked about each of these domain items: deep learning, machine learning, data science, etc. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through each of these categories and tell you what roles you need to hire for each use case under these categories. Top level in this chart is the general artificial intelligence. And then as you go down, you get to more specific use cases for specialized use cases of AI, down to deep learning and generative AI. So you have this mind map of hiring people based on the general need for AI innovation or specialized AI innovation. So you don't go and hire somebody who's overkill for a project that needs a generalist versus a specialist. Okay, let's start from the top and go to the bottom. We start with the artificial intelligence. So if you feel like your business can benefit from AI, you better start with an AI consultant. AI consultants have the expertise to understand various projects on their subdomain of AI, and they can teach you the potential benefits of AI, specialized and customized for your business. So instead of going to a specialist, for example, for image generations or natural language processing, it's best to first go to an AI consultant. AI consultants understand business and they understand technology. So they can combine these two and give you that superpower that transforms your business. Example of the projects that the AI consultants can do is giving you the AI strategies or AI roadmaps that can transform your business. Another role under the AI domain is the AI product manager. If you decide to innovate with AI, it's better to hire AI product manager. So they can help you innovate with AI. They can supervise generating the product that you need. Examples of these products could be intelligent chatbots in the sales and marketing. If you need some sort of AI chatbot that can take the leads from lead generation to qualifications, the AI product manager can design this AI chatbot, has this customer journey experience embedded into the chatbot for you. Next, we have AI engineers. AI engineers are hands-on practitioners who can code and build these innovative AI products. So these people might or might not have the business knowledge, but they understand AI very well. So they can help you build these AI products. For the examples of the project, so they can run automation tasks using AI, and they can develop AI algorithm for you. Under this category, we also have the cloud architects or cloud engineers. Clouds are the remote servers that you can launch your software or AI products 24/7. So everybody can access your product. These days, any modern software actually runs on the cloud. So examples are AWS, Google Cloud, Azure from Microsoft. And cloud architects and cloud engineers can make sure your AI solution is a viable product and it runs without flaws on the cloud infrastructures. They can optimize the cloud for you. They can make sure that the cloud products are scalable and they can respond to the customers or users. This list is not exhaustive. There are more roles under the artificial intelligence domain, but I think these four roles are the essential key roles that everybody needs to consider, starting with the AI consultant. If you don't already know your specific projects, you don't know the specific AI roadmap that your company needs, it's best to start with the AI consultant and then hire more specific AI engineers for the specific needs that you have. Next on this chart, we have data science. Data science is a huge part of artificial intelligence. In data science, it's best to start with some sort of consulting with a data scientist. Data scientists usually have the knowledge of data modeling. They can create prediction models for sales forecasting, for inventory optimizations, for marketing campaign optimizations. They can do this type of machine learning, data modeling type of projects for you. Next, you have the data analyst. Data analysts can run the business intelligence BI projects. They can create, analytics dashboards for you, and they can answer your data questions in your organizations. And last role is, which is really essential, is data engineers. Without data engineers, you really don't have access to your data, and the data scientists or data analysts cannot access the data that they need. Sometimes you might be able to hire somebody who's a data scientist with hands-on experience with limited data engineering skills. But most of the time, if you are running a bigger organization, you probably need to have a data engineer and a data scientist as two separate roles. Data engineers can build the pipelines, maintain the data set, and run the ETL processes, extract, transform, and load processes on your data. And they can be a huge support for your data team. Usually, data engineers, if not the first, they're the second hire when it comes to the data projects. Now, here in the next subdomain of AI, we have machine learning. This is where projects get more specific, more specialized. And first, you have the machine learning engineers. So sometimes, AI engineers or data scientists, they can do machine learning projects, but sometimes the projects are very specialized. It's better to have their own specific machine learning engineer. Machine learning engineers can develop projects like recommendation systems, customer segmentations, forecasting for sales. These type of model development is best done by machine learning engineers. So if you want to take advantage of those specialized use cases, you can go and hire a machine learning engineer. And then you have ML ops engineers. ML ops stands for machine learning operations. These engineers can help machine learning engineers and basically host the ML models on the cloud, take care of the continuous integration and updating the models, and model deployment in the production setting. Sometimes machine learning engineers can take care of the ML ops, but if it's a bigger project, if it's a bigger organizations, you might want to consider having two separate roles for machine learning and ML ops engineers. Now, here we go to another deeper level of AI domain, which is deep learning. Deep learning is a more recent development in AI domain, and you get super technical and innovative with the solutions. So we have deep learning engineers as the first role. They usually have a more generalized knowledge, although really specialized in their own work. They have more knowledge over different branches of deep learning. So one branch is image processing, where you process images, and then you have natural language processing, where you process text. And they can pretty much run projects in either of these two domains, the two main domains of AI. And if you decide that you need more specialized engineering for, let's say, natural language processing, you can hire NLP engineer. NLP engineer can, for example, develop sentiment analysis solutions. They can do text summarization solutions, chatbots. Computer vision engineers can do projects like object detection, object tracking, image segmentations, facial recognition, and quality control in manufacturing. It's best to hire a computer vision engineer if you specifically want to work on image data. If you have a mix of image and text, you can go and hire deep learning engineers. And last but not least, generative AI. Under generative AI, you have a mix of technical and non-technical people. And by non-technical, I mean people who are not programmers per se. And some of the roles for the generative AI are the AI technicians, people who use AI on a daily basis, but they are more experienced in using AI. So AI technicians, they can do AI automations using third-party platforms, or they can do no-code type of development. It doesn't need coding, but they can put these pieces of puzzle together like Zapier automations. And then next we have the prompt engineers. Prompt engineers can specifically help with the a lot of marketing content generations, and using chatbots like ChatGPT to generate content for marketing. And then we have the AI artists. AI artists can generate images for marketing content. They can do automated art generation, and they can do content for social media using artificial intelligence. So these are pretty much the non-technical roles under generative AI. Now, if you want to create some sort of generative AI products that needs coding, you should go back to the higher level and go for somebody who has deep learning experience. So anybody who has deep learning engineering skills, they can develop generative AI. So generative AI is not a dramatically different, type of AI solution. It's just part of the deep learning algorithms. There is no generative AI engineer out there that runs specifically generative AI type of projects. They're usually deep learning engineers or computer vision engineers or NLP engineers. So that's how you go and hire for generative AI projects. All right, there you have it. These are 5 different categories of AI and different roles under each category. Now, it's always best to start from top, go to the bottom, start with an AI consulting. Sometimes you only need a few hours of AI consulting. So it's best to go and hire somebody who has the general knowledge of the entire domain of AI, and then get that AI roadmap done. Have your AI strategies documented, and then next step, go and hire for more specialized engineers for their AI solutions. But a lot of startups can start with the AI consultant, start with the AI engineer and AI product managers, and then over time, as they're building their prototype, their proof of concept, their MVP, they can go and hire deep learning engineers or computer vision engineers or generative AI practitioners to go more specialized with their product. Hope you enjoyed and you learned something new in this video. In the next video, I'm going to explain how to hire somebody for your AI projects. See you in the next video.